For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting an IT consulting business in today's digital landscape is a powerful way to leverage your technical knowledge to help companies solve problems, increase efficiency, and optimize their technology. With the rise of free artificial intelligence tools, it's now easier than ever to launch a consulting firm with minimal startup costs. This guide will walk you through the key steps to start your own IT consulting business using free AI tools and show you how to use these tools effectively with suggested prompt texts. Step 1. Define your niche and services. The first step is to identify the niche within IT consulting where you can add the most value. Whether it's cybersecurity, cloud computing, system integration, data analytics, IT infrastructure, or digital transformation, choosing a focused area helps you stand out. Use ChatGPT to explore viable niches by inputting the following prompt. Prompt: list and describe 10 profitable IT consulting niches for a small startup in 2025. Include emerging trends and client pain points in each. Once your niche is defined, outline the services you'll provide. Use Notion AI or ChatGPT to create service descriptions and packages tailored to different client sizes and industries. Free tools like Canva's Whiteboard can help you visualize your service map. Step 2. Create a business plan with AI. You'll need a solid business plan to guide your operations and attract investors or partners. Use ChatGPT to draft the core components, including executive summary, market analysis, pricing model, and financial projections. Prompt: create a simple business plan for an IT consulting startup focused on cybersecurity services for small businesses. Include target market, services offered, revenue streams, and marketing approach. For more advanced planning, try Google's Gemini or Claude.ai for refining financial models or risk analysis. You can also use Excel Online with ChatGPT to structure basic forecasting spreadsheets by asking. Prompt: generate a first-year revenue forecast for a solo IT consultant charging $100 per hour with an average of 20 billable hours per week. Step 3. Build your brand identity using AI design tools. Establish a strong, professional brand to build credibility. Free tools like Loka, limited free options, Canva, and Logomachra allow you to create logos, color palettes, and social banners. For naming, you can use Namalix, which uses AI to generate brandable names based on keywords and tone. Prompt: suggest 10 unique business names for an IT consulting firm specializing in cloud infrastructure. The name should sound modern and professional. Then use Canva's free plan to design a cohesive brand kit, including your logo, business cards, pitch deck, and letterhead. Step 4. Develop your website and online presence. An online presence is essential for attracting clients. Use free website builders like Wix, WordPress.com, or Card. ChatGPT can help write your homepage, about page, and service descriptions. Prompt: write a professional homepage copy for a freelance IT consultant, helping businesses migrate to the cloud. Include a value proposition, services, and call to action. Also, use ChatGPT to draft SEO-optimized blog content. This will help improve your search ranking. Prompt: write a 600-word blog article titled 5 Reasons Small Businesses Should Outsource IT Support in 2025. Include relevant keywords and a friendly tone. Step 5. Establish legal structure and tools. Set up your business legally by registering in your state and getting an EIN, Employer Identification Number, from the IRS website for free. While not strictly AI-related, you can ask ChatGPT to guide you through the legal process. Prompt: list the legal steps to register a one-person IT consulting business in Florida, including license requirements and tax registration. For contracts and agreements, use ChatGPT or AI-powered tools like Do Not Pay to create basic client service agreements, NDAs, and invoices. Prompt: Draft a basic IT consulting services agreement that includes scope of work, payment terms, liability, and confidentiality. Step 6. Set up communication and project tools. Use free tools to manage communication, collaboration, and service delivery. Use Notion or Trello to manage projects, Google Meet for consultations, and Clockify for time tracking. Integrate AI features within these tools to automate meeting notes, task reminders, and workflows. ChatGPT can assist in drafting onboarding emails and proposals. Prompt: write a professional client onboarding email for a new IT consulting client outlining next steps and setting up the first meeting. Step 7. Market your services with AI-driven campaigns. Start your marketing with free AI tools for content creation and ad design. Canva's AI can help with social media graphics and Instagram carousels. Copy.ai or ChatGPT can generate ad copy, emails, and blog content. Prompt: create a marketing campaign outline for an IT consultant targeting remote startups needing cloud solutions. Include email, LinkedIn, and cold outreach strategies. Use Buffer's free plan to schedule posts and monitor engagement. You can also use ChatGPT to script YouTube or TikTok explainer videos. Prompt: write a YouTube script introducing my IT consulting firm and explaining the value of outsourced IT services for growing businesses. Step 8. Find your first clients using AI search techniques. Leverage free AI tools to research leads. Use ChatGPT or Google Bard to create outreach strategies. Use LinkedIn's free plan and ask ChatGPT to write cold outreach messages. Prompt: write a LinkedIn outreach message for connecting with small business owners and offering a free 15-minute IT strategy consultation. You can also ask ChatGPT to generate a CRM spreadsheet to track outreach, follow-ups, and conversion stages. Prompt: create a client prospecting spreadsheet template with columns for name, business, contact info, last contacted, and next follow-up. Step 9. Scale your offerings using AI automation. As your business grows, consider scaling your offerings using automation. You can use Make.com or Zapier's free tiers to automate lead capture, email follow-ups, and file transfers. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm scalable services like monthly support retainers or packaged audits. Prompt: suggest 5 scalable IT consulting service packages for a solo consultant to offer as monthly subscriptions. AI can also help deliver services. For example, use GPT-based assistants to draft security audit reports or provide chatbot-based tech support documentation. Conclusion: starting an IT consulting business doesn't require a large investment thanks to the power of free AI tools. From planning and branding to marketing and automation, AI can guide and enhance nearly every aspect of your launch. With clear steps, helpful tools, and well-crafted prompts, you can turn your technical expertise into a thriving business and compete in a growing digital economy. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.